Hey guys, welcome to today's market review for the ICT Silver Bullet London session review on May the 18th, 2023, looking at the EURUSD pair. Let's jump into the market and see what was presented this morning for us. So, pre-marked out the levels for us to make life a little bit easier. We've fallen through the new week opening gap, so that's this week's opening gap, and we are currently underneath it. We pumped up overnight and took out the New York highs, and then have consolidated up high. Asia failed to take the highs, and we've since broken down, retested the lows of Asia, but have been unable to break back into the range. So because we've been unable to break back into the range, that makes this sell side and this sell side quite a good draw on liquidity, in my opinion. Let's drop onto the 1 minute now, see how we get on going into the session. So into the open, we've dropped down heavily. This is the start of the Silver Bullet hour. So we've taken the session low out from earlier on, and we're now pumping back in. We'll pull a fib on the session for the high and the low. We can see straight away that we've got lots of fair value gaps, bearish fair value gaps on the way down. So let's just see if these respect to take us down to our draw on liquidity lower. Optimal trade entry with a fair value gap with an order block appears to be holding. Rejection. Into this, try it again one more time. Another rejection of this order block area. Pulling down, we've left the volume imbalance here now on the bearish side, so bearish volume imbalance. Respecting that bearish volume imbalance. Okay, so we've left the fair value gap here, coming down. This would be the signal to take an entry. 3.9. To make this high probability, ICT says we would like to have over 10 points, which we've got 10 pips. Now, I'm treating this, I know this is slightly different in ICT's video. He mentions there's a difference between the way he views Forex markets and the way he views indices as far as handles and pips goes. To keep things simple for myself and the way that I've been backtesting this and playing with euros, I actually view euro the same as S&P 500, which means that I would have a 5 pip stop on this, the same as I would put on S&P. We have a target of 10, which makes that easy, makes that high probability, sorry. I will close out at 5.2 because I just like to grab the 5 handles and then go. So let's just see if we get tagged in here. It's maybe concerning because we do have this fair value gap, which we appear to be respecting at the moment, but I'm going based on the bearish bias. We've been unable to go back into the Asia range, so my draw on liquidity is still the idea that we need to take out some liquidity down lower before we can make an attempt to get back into the premium. So we're into the trade there, and then straight away we've got our 5 handles. Let's just see if we take the sell side that we had marked out down here. So one of my rules is that I like to be out of the trades after 10 minutes. So we were entered at 13, so at 23. If I hadn't hit take profit, I would be closing out anyway, so I like to have a 10-minute window. Let's see, where's the end of 4? This is our Silver Bullet hour over. Pulling back, it's not taken that buy side, that sell side yet. And then we do take it before the end of the hour. So if you are braver than me, you could have held through all of this backwards and forwards to get the ultimate 10 handles. I personally, as I mentioned, I don't like to be in trades more than kind of 10 or 15 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm looking to go break even at the very least, or close out of a losing position, which is why I quite like the 5 handles in and out of the market quickly. And then I'm done. That was the trade in the London session, Silver Bullet trade in the London session on May the 18th. Hope you liked the video. Please leave any comments down below and like and subscribe if you would like to see more of these. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.